Hello, creative people. Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is for those who love to disconnect from the world with a pencil in hand. Have you ever wondered if the perfect coloring book really exists? When I was recommended the Bobbie Goods coloring book, I was torn. Is it as therapeutic as it promises? Or just another pretty book for a photo on Instagram? Grab your coffee. Come with me and subscribe to the channel if you're also addicted to therapeutic art. I bought this book at a renowned bookstore. I believe that the bookstore wouldn't sell a fake book. Here we have the seal of originality of the book. On the back of the book we have the seal of the printing company that prints this edition. Look at this beautiful cover. It's very colorful and cute. On the last page it says that it is printed on 120-gram paper and has a cover in 250-gram cardstock. In other words, contrary to what people say, it is not ideal for markers or watercolors. It is not a very thick book. When I opened the book, it reminded me a little of the cover of Johanna Basford's books with drawings on the back cover and a place to write your name. It says that it comes with 20 coloring pages, a page for testing materials and one painting checklist. This is the checklist page. The pages are detachable, which makes painting much easier. The drawings are with very simple lines. There are incredible pages like this one and others that are super basic. But where is the complexity? For those who like a challenge, it may lack a little variety. Now, the dirty secret. What others don't tell you. Some pages are almost identical. Guys, look at the position of the two main characters. Their arms are placed in the same position. This can be great for those who love patterns or boring for those who want variety. If you've already purchased the Bobbie Goods coloring book, keep these tips in mind. Use drying paper when coloring with markers to avoid smudges. The paper in this book doesn't support markers and bleeds through. The manufacturer knows this so well that it only has drawings on one side of the page. Preferably color with colored pencils or dry pastels. The paper in the book will thank you. Place a harder surface underneath the page you're going to color and avoid pressing too hard so as not to deform the pages. Customize simple pages with your own details. This is the material test sheet. It's actually pretty. So what did I think? If you want an affordable book to relax with colored pencils, yes, it's worth it. But if you're looking for professional paper or love markers, stay away from this book. Now tell me, are you up for the challenge of coloring this book? Or would you prefer another book? Comment below. And if you like this super honest review, leave a like, share it with your friends and subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. Kisses and see you next time for Art Therapy. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.